Hello, today we will guide you through how to find Workspace URL in Slack. To begin, open Slack and make sure you are inside the workspace where you want to find the workspace URL. You can be in any channel within that workspace, so just start from the main Slack screen where your conversations and channels are visible. This gives you a clear starting point and helps confirm that you're looking in the correct workspace before moving forward. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation panel. This is where Slack lists your channels, direct messages, and workspace-related options. In that sidebar, look for the admin area. Depending on your workspace settings and your level of access, this section may appear slightly differently, but you're looking for the area that contains administrative or workspace management options. Take a moment to scan the menu carefully if you do not see it right away. Once you find the admin option, click on Workspace Settings. This will open the settings page for your Slack workspace. The reason this page is important is that it typically opens in your browser and displays the workspace-specific web address you need. If Slack opens the page in a new tab, that's completely normal. But just continue there. Now go to the address bar at the top of your browser. The link shown there is the workspace URL you're looking for. Copy that link directly from the address bar. This is usually the easiest and most reliable way to get the full workspace URL, especially if you need to share it with a teammate, save it for later, or use it to quickly return to the workspace in the future. As a helpful tip, when copying the link, make sure you copy the full URL exactly as it appears. That helps avoid broken or incomplete links. If you're planning to share it, it can also be useful to paste it into a note or document first, just to confirm it copied correctly. And that's it. Once you've opened Workspace Settings and copied the link from the browser's address bar, you've successfully found your Slack workspace URL. This is a simple process, but it's a very useful one to know whenever you need quick access to your workspace or need to provide the link to someone else.